Hello guys, welcome to the new video of the channel. So in today's video we are going to install the Ubantu alongside the Windows 10. So to do that we need any browser. You can use any. I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. So you have to search for Ubantu. So as you can see, the first link, download Ubantu desktop. So I'm going to click on it and then downloads, and I'm going to select desktop. Then we have to scroll down and click on download. Now downloading is going to start within few seconds. As you can see, download had been started. So I already had the ISO, so I'm not going to download it. Now this step is not compulsory, but you can do it. So what we are going to do is we are going to download a Windows 10 ISO. So it is going to help us if we accidentally broke our system. So we are going to reinstall our system with help of it. So Windows 10 ISO. So you can see the first link of Microsoft. So if you are opening this website on your PC, so you are going to see page like this. And if you are opening it on your mobile, so you are going to see a different one. Okay, so for those who are in the laptop or your personal computer, so what you have to do is you have to press Ctrl, Shift and I. Then you got this small window, so just click on this mobile and tablet icon. Then your page is going to look like this, so just click on refresh button. So after you had refreshed the page, so you get this small button to select the Windows edition. So just click on it and select Windows 10 Multi ISO. Confirm. Select the language, so I'm going to select United States English. Confirm. And I'm going to select 64-bit. So it also downloaded within few seconds. Okay, so now we need a software to flash it to our USB pen drive. So there are multiple software available like Ventroy, Rufus and many more. So I'm going to use Ventroy in this video. So for the Ventroy, first link, downloads, we are going to select the window.zip. You got this GitHub page. Scroll down. Inside the asset section, you get this Ventroy window zip. Click on it. It is going to download this Ventroy file. So I already have it. Okay, so now you have to go to your download section. Just click on the Ventroy file and extract it all, and then extract. After the extraction, you get this Ventroy file. Go inside it, and then you are going to see all these files. Select this Ventroy to disk. You will get this, and if you don't see your USB pen drive here, so insert it and click on refresh icon. You will get your pen drive here. Select it and click on install. After the installation, you have to just go to it and go to your down section, copy those window and Ubantu ISO, and then copy it to the Ventroy file. So I already make it bootable and copy it inside my pen drive. So as you can see, window and Ubantu within my other OS. Okay, so we had completely made our bootable pen drive. Now what we have to do is make ourselves a partition in which we are going to install our Ubantu. To do that, we have to search for disk management. Okay, so as you can see, the first section, create and format hard disk partition. open it. Okay, so here you are going to see all the disks which you have in your system. So you have to select a disk which has the extra space, click on it and click on save. Okay, and then I recommend to free up space like 50 to 54 GB and click on string, and after that you will get this unallocated space. And if you have a partition like a E drive or a D drive which is completely empty and you don't need it, so you just need to just click on it and click on delete volume. After delete it, you have this black script section. So now your hard disk section is almost completed. Now what you have to do is click on this disk icon, click on properties, go to volume and see the partition style. So my partition style is GPT. Okay, so this GPT is going to play a major role during the installation. So the GPT and media partition style have different method of Ubantu installation. So we are going to see it during the installation. So what we have to do, we have to close it all. So now what we are going to do is like we are going to get our activation key. So if you had activated your window, if you are using a genuine window 10, so what we have to do is grab your activation key. So and my window is not activated, as you can see here. We have to do is we have to search for cmd, run it as administrator, and yes, there is a command. You can find this command on my description or in the comment box. Press enter and here you will get your activation key. My window is not activated, that's why I'm not getting the key, but you will get yours if you have activated it genuinely. Now you have to boot into your BIOS. So to boot into your BIOS, you have to do is you have to restart your computer and press a BIOS key to boot into BIOS. So the BIOS key can be anything between F1 to F12. So you can just Google it, your laptop or your laptop company, yeah, and just search for its BIOS key. So in my case it's F12. So during the reboot, I'm going to just continuously press the F12 key to get into BIOS. So let's see you in my BIOS.